Hello again. I think it's more than 6 days, 1 week or something. I don't even remember when I start having all these guys together. And today it's kind of overcast weather. You see, it's pretty cloudy. And I was just thinking to have a test about how the solar panels, 1300 watts or something, it's behaving in this kind of weather. First, okay, let's notice the MPPT is charging with around 6 amps, 400 milliamps, 500 milliamps goes to the batteries. The most current is going to the inverter, of course, supplying the house. That's kind of amazing. So I may say I have no charge to the batteries, and the voltage, it's down to 52.6. We're supposed to have a maximum of 60.5 volts. So I will turn off the inverter and let's see what's happening with the batteries. Okay, the inverter is off. Oh, here we go. 6 amps, 6.4 going straight to the batteries. Well, this means a quarter of the usual power supplied to the batteries, because I've seen 25 amps going into the batteries. And I'm really curious, in this kind of cloudy weather, how much power goes and how much can I bet on. So it's almost 12 o'clock at noon, and I'm pretty sure I can reset these things. We had 20.35 kilowatts in 111 hours. That's not bad at all. Okay, so let me reset all the stuffs. It's very easy to do that. 361 amps, not bad. If you turn the display off, you have no counting. 100 hours. Okay, so here we are on 12 o'clock at noon, and let's see at the end of the day, at the solar day, around 5 o'clock or something. So we'll see in 5 hours how much current went into the batteries. The inverter will be off for all this period, and see you later. Well, sun, it's playing hide and seek, but of course it's not the optimum power from the solar panels, but I got 11 point something amps. This is great. And let's go and take a look to this guy. And here we see 38 minutes past, 406 watts into the batteries. This is great, 7.3 amps. So I think it's a pretty good charging for a cloudy day, or let's say almost cloudy day. Let's wait for more. So let me show you a glimpse of the sky. So it's kind of shining, but it's not exactly sunshine. Here we are, 7:25 p.m. after almost 7 hours. Of course, the sun went down around I think 6 o'clock or something. So we got here 7 hours and 33 minutes of activity, let's say. And even with this kind of weather, it was overcast today, not exactly the right weather anyway for harvesting solar. Even in this situation, there are 3.02 kilowatts into the batteries. 52.5 amp hours, and the voltage, the battery voltage went up to 51.1. no inverter, of course, still charging half of amp. That's a joke. Anyway, I'm pretty sure these guys can deliver now for the night at least 3 kilowatts. There is a new cell which will be added to the pack tomorrow, and finally the whole capacity of the batteries will be around 6.5, maybe 7 kilowatts, but I'm not sure. I have to see it in the next days. What I have to say again, this kind of MPPT, do it yourself, 60 amps, it's working great. I got no problems with it, and I am surprised by the way it's working. I didn't expect that. It was passing 25 amps for easy without any thermal problems or anything like that. Thank you for now. I hope it's useful. I'll be back with news as soon as I have some, and so far the things are running. And of course, please like, please subscribe, don't forget to write and have some fun. Bye bye.